Before you enter a trade, what you need to observe in the market, like external things, fundamental analysis, whatever you tell. I'm going to discuss about today what we need to observe before you are going to trade. Okay, first of all, go to the YouTube and you can check it in this business news. And here we are commenting like comedians like CEOs or any news a news channel telling that which stock is going today, it's completely uptrend or not, which sector is going performing well today. All these things we are found in this news here. And second thing, we need to go in the Google and type it economic times, and here we find the news like any companies which is the best companies and what market news overall economy we will find in this news base. Also we can take the entries and exit in this market. See, this is the market news where we can see the market which companies are going like that. See this market news. In this market news we have find like steel stocks look attractive by post correct analysis like that, which stocks are trending and which companies is trending, like farmers companies, which bitcoins details, currency details, and RBI announcements, we all we can find in this market news. Okay, if you want to invest in mutual fund also, you can invest, you can see the details here. Yes, IT firms may be beat Q3 trend with strong numbers. Actually see the here Nifty Nifty 50. Once we open the chart means it was completely strong uptrend, right? It was telling in this news. Okay, see IT firms, because IT sectors performed well yesterday. That's why in this news also we will find it this. We want to compare this chart also without simply not simply by news. We want to compare with our charts. What news is coming and what is the impact on the market, that is the very important. Okay, see this is the auto sector, banking and finance products, energy sectors like that, healthcare like pharma sectors, it will impact retails like retail traders, how they are trading like that. Complete details we will find in this economic times. Like see, India pharma industry estimated to grow 9.9 to 11% in 2022. Okay, that means if you are long term investor, it will help to invest in pharma sector stocks, because news is telling like that 9 to 11% will be increase in this 2022. See in this mutual funds, what is this FCBA mutual funds and all, this is for your external financial knowledge purpose, not for this trading purpose. If you want to get more financial knowledge, you can read this mutual fund all. If you interest in mutual fund also, you can read this. See, this is the idea of about how to banks holding in January like that, tax, how to save your taxes. Okay, all these things you will find in this economics times. First of all, in the morning time only we want to observe this, observe the overview of the market structure. Next thing, you need to go in the Chrome browser, open a new tab and search moneycontrol.com. Here, see this is Omicron virus, it was showing. See markets, you just go in the markets, click on the global. Here we want to check the overview like US market, European market and ASEAN markets and SGX Nifty. These 3 to 4 markets will impact on our Indian market. See, Nasdaq has closed in the red, like that means market has closing like bearish movement chances is there because of US market effect. but since 3 days market is completely uptrend, it's not affecting on our India. Okay, Indian markets. European markets are completely green like that. See, some of are neutral and almost green. That means almost uptrend. See, SGX Nifty has closed at 17,803 minus 72, like bearish it was showing, but overall it was bullish. See, this is the global markets. This also will impact on our Indian market. This is very important. Okay. And next thing, institutional trading activity. That means main thing market is moving according to the institutional movement, like the institutional like FI and DI huge buying means market will go in the bullish, and if they oversold means that will market will go in the bearish. So we need to observe is very important, this one FI and DII activity. See, once you here, you need to click on view more, and you will find here. Okay, it was a month till date, it was showing 4th January, 3rd January like that. Net purchase value completely in green. That means if I yeah, like market is completely uptrend, that's why it was also in green. See, I will compare with the chart, friends. If you want, if you have any doubt means you just gross purchase, gross sales, net purchase sales, gross purchase, gross sales, net purchase sales. See, this is completely in uptrend, right? There is no red mark and there is no minus here, and there here also green only. That's why I will compare here. See, this is this is the January market opening like that. See how green color big bullish movement it was. See, I will show you. This is how straight uptrend it was going because of FI and DI activities here. We will find it here. That is the reason impact. This is the impact of all and on our chart. Okay, our price action in the chart. Can you understood? If any doubt means you just comment below, friends. Not an issue. And if you want to find out the trend means there is no need to go anywhere. I will tell you one thing in this. We want to observe the PCR ratio. PCR ratio is completely from since 3 days. PCR ratio is above 1.2, 1.3 like that. Go to the information. Future IMV PCRC. PCR ratio here 1.42, 1.42 bullish. It was showing bullish. That's why I'm telling you market is in bullish since 3 days because of this FI and DIA activities. They are the big players. They can only drive the market. This is showing PCR ratio is completely green. Okay, this one we need to observe because we don't want to take the any put options like this in the opposite trend. That is very important. We need to observe in this. Okay. See friends, in Nifty also we will find out that information. Click on the information. See, PCR ratio also. See Nifty how strong it was, 1.51%, like bullish completely uptrend, bullish movement, market move is there. In that scenario, we don't want to take put options. We are only take buying side only. We need to entry. Okay. And another thing, if you are a option trader, it's very familiar for you because abstract option strategy builder is very useful for us. Click on the open interest. Click on the open interest. See, this is how it was moving. Okay, 18,000 is most resistance zone it was showing. Okay, but completely it was in uptrend only. See, PCR ratio 1.5 it was showing. You need to The refresh here 1.5 only. Okay, Nifty also showing uptrend and Bank Nifty also uptrend only, not a issue. See 1.42 PCA ratio, put call ratio we need to observe. After that, which strike is the highest resistance and which side is the highest buyers is there, we need to observe this one. Okay, after that, if you want to analyze any more means, you need to go to the next BSC website. Yeah, once you go enter into BSC website, you can find out the like top gainers, top losers, like this same thing in the like NSE website only. You will find it here also. But if you want to get deep in study means, you can visit this website. Otherwise, not required for this. NSE website is very familiar because in this NSE website only, most of the traders has more volume is there compared to BSC. Click on the home. Okay, okay here. See, it's completely all are in green. That means completely market is in overall green. Okay, we need to always in this scenario we need to go in the buying side. Okay, okay. Next, I will show you one more thing here. Go to the charting website. Go to the Chrome and you want to enter www.charting.com, or otherwise Indian Financial Technical Tools also you can search. Here what we need to do is very important in stocks means, if you are an equity cash trader, you need to go in the click in here plus symbol, and very important which stock is moving trending today, because more buyers and sellers where is there, we want to buy that stock only. Otherwise there is no volume means that there is nothing use there, you can't, without volume you can't make profit here. Okay, without transaction how can a trader will profit help? So we need to enter the volume here. Click on the volume. A simple trick I will tell you. It's only one trick I am going to tell you today. Click on the greater than. Here enter the, leave it here. You just enter the volume like 1 lakh, 10 lakh, otherwise how much ever you want. If you want to get a use volume means you want to enter here. Click on this here. Click on run scan. Okay, these are all the stocks huge volumes traded in the market. Okay, this website will very useful for me because in intraday means intraday traders, that will volume is very important, they know, because which stock is going in trending they want to know means. Click on the volume here. This is highest volume and lowest volume, it will be shown here. See, JP Power is the highest volume here. See how much volume is there, and second is Idea, and in third one is Venture Growth and Securities. Okay, third one is Sujlan Energy. Next one is Yes Bank, sharing sharing this share, and Vikas Life Care Limited, Jay Prakash Associated Limited. See, because life care limited, it will come in the pharma sector side. We already discussed about in like here in economic terms. They, for example, I will tell you one thing. In economic terms, in this page we have studied that, or what is it? Here it is. Okay, okay, I get it. Okay, in this news space, what we can take in this one, like pharma sectors companies, whatever is there, you can go for the long term or positional or swing trading also. Okay, see, these are all the stocks based volume stocks. If there is no volume means you can't able to trade that, the such a kind of stocks. See, if you have confused like how many stocks is there, which one I need to stock means trade means, you just go on, click on here and add one more zero, that's it. You will get one more huge volume stocks only. Okay, otherwise you don't get here. See, these stocks are completely huge volume stocks. Okay, in such a scenario we can observe JP Power is highest today, highest traded volume. Okay. See friends, how huge volume it was. JP Power daily 7.35, volume is 395 minute moving averages. Okay, it was moving, I was just telling here, RSI it was showing. Okay, see friends, how big candles it was creating upwards. Okay, this is how we need to select the stocks for intraday, and we need to overview the market. Okay, if you want to get like if you want to know trending stocks means, you just go in the YouTube and you can search here. Like in news base also we need to take entry, because some news will be exact only, not all news are fake, because I believe in news stock based stock also, because when news will news also impact in markets. Okay, that is also we need to observe, otherwise we don't simply trade. Okay, okay friends, this is how we need to observe the market, pre-market overview about the stocks, about when you before to trade. Okay, thank you friends. If you have any doubt means, you just comment below. Thank you.